everybody, welcome to Learning with Lisa. It's time to practice another sound. Here are your 3 clues for today. Volcano, van, violin. Say them with me this time. Volcano, van, violin. All these things start with the sound V. Today's new sound is V. V for van. V, v, van. V for violin. V, v, violin. V for volcano. V, v, volcano. Let's practice saying V. Can you say V in a loud voice? V. Can you say V in a quiet voice? V. Let's do some sorting. Look at my pictures. I have a vest, dog, vegetable, snowflake, video game. Give me a thumbs up if they start with the sound V and a thumbs down if they don't. Ready? Vest. That's right, that's a thumbs up. V is for vest. Dog. That's a thumbs down. It's not a vlog, it's a dog. Vegetable. That's right, vegetable starts with a V. Snowflake. That's a thumbs down. It's not a vo snowflake, it's a snowflake. Video game. That's right, video game starts with a V. Vest, vegetable and video game all start with the sound V. Let's practice writing V. Watch me first. Ready? Now it's your turn to practice writing V in the air. Use your magic finger to copy the dots. Well done. It's time to do some counting. How many vests have V on them? You might want to pause the video to count. Let's check if you were right. 1, 2, 3, 4. There are 4 vests with V on them. Today we practice the initial sound V. There are lots more sounds to practice. Keep a lookout for my other videos. I look forward to seeing you again soon. Bye bye for now. Bye.